Isang panibagong proyekto na naman ang pinasinayaan ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. sa Camiguin, ang inaugurasyon ng Benoni Port Lightcraft Landing Station sa Port of Benoni sa Mahinog, Camiguin. Ang bagong pasilidad na ito ang kauna-unahang dedicated landing station para sa mga light craft sa Port of Benoni. Layunin nitong mapabilis ang paggalaw ng mga sasakyang pandagat, mapahusay ang kaligtasan sa paglalayag, mabawasan ang pagsisikip ng pantalan, at mapalakas ang kakayahan ng daungan na tumugon sa lumalaking maritime traffic.
Ready, Mr. President, at the count of 3. 1, at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. The marker reads as follows. Lightcraft Landing Station Project inaugurated by His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., 17th President of the Republic of the Philippines. To gain deeper appreciation of the project, may we invite the President together with Secretary Lopez, General Manager G. Santiago, Representative Romualdo, Governor Romualdo, and Mayor Tan for a tour of the Benoni Port Lightcraft Landing Station. The two-story building is anchored on its vision of creating smarter, greener, safer, and more resilient ports. The Philippine Ports Authority continues to invest in modern infrastructure that enhances operational efficiency while serving as a catalyst for tourism, trade, and regional development. May we invite the President and our party to please proceed to the program venue. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. We may now be seated.
Karanasan ko dati sa Port of Benoni, masikip, mainit kasi wala pang aircon.
Napakaliit lang. Yung capacity ata yung 80 plus pa lang ata, 100 plus.
Example, kapag Lanzones Festival, mga fixed season, nahirapan po kaming pumasok dyan sa terminal kasi parang nagsisikan lang po.
Most of our tourists and residents going to Camiguin dumadaan sa Port of Benoni. Very, very important siya sa experience ng mga turista na pumupunta ng Camiguin, mga balikbayan, and even us ourselves Camiguin noon. No?
Sa bagong mga pasilidad na meron tayo dito sa Port of Benoni, mahikayat natin lalo ang ating mga mahal na turista na pumunta dito sa Camiguin kasi meron na tayong pasilidad na magbibigay sa kanila ng comfort and convenience while staying at the Port of Benoni.
Hindi ka na magsisiksikan, hindi ka na mauulanan, tapos meron ka ng sisilungan pag once na kumuha ka ng ticket.
Hindi na po talaga siya katulad nung dati. Ang malamig na kasi mayroong aircon, mabilis yung proseso ng pag-issue ng tickets.
Malaking impact talaga yung improvements ng terminal. Malaking chance na mas lumakas pa yung turismo dito sa Camiguin.
Sa katulad kong pasahero, mas marami na rin mainggan na pumunta dito sa Camiguin. Mas lalo pa ngayon na napakaganda na ng Port of Benoni, makikita nila talagang kagandahan ng Camiguin.
We are very thankful and grateful to Philippine Ports Authority and DOTR for these new projects in Camiguin, especially in Benoni Port, the building, facilities and amenities, as well as the light craft landing station.
Ito pong Lightcraft Landing Station ay isang pasilidad na mas lalong magbibigay sigla ng turismo sa Camiguin. Accommodation services naman, food and beverages, yan po ang welcome center po natin or visitor center.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa Philippine Port Authority sa proyekting ito na malaking impact sa aming mga turista na pong labas-pasok dito sa Camiguin. Kasi na-accommodate na kami, maganda yung facility. Salamat, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat sa Philippine Ports Authority, DOTR, at kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos Jr. sa pagpapaganda at pag-improve ng Port of Benoni. Maraming salamat po.
At this point, may we call on Acting Secretary Giovanni Lopez to introduce the guest of honor and keynote speaker.
Mga kababayan, ang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas, His Excellency, Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Thank you, Transportation Secretary Manuel Lopez. Please, magsiupo po tayo. Ang ating Provincial Governor Javier Jesus Romualdo, Special Assistant to the President Anton Lagdomeo, the Lone District Representative of the Lone District of Camiguin, JJ Romualdo, Municipal Mayor of Minahog Lawrence Tan, and other municipal mayors who have joined us this morning. My fellow workers in government, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, maayong adlaw sa inyong tanan. The whole of the rest of the Philippines ay tinatanaw talaga ang kagandahan dito sa Camiguin. Mula sa Mount Hibok-Hibok at saka yung mga volcanic landscape hanggang sa hot spring, mga white sandbar, ay talagang kitang-kita mo na bagay talaga sa turismo ang Camiguin. Kaya nagiging importante itong mga facilities na kagaya nito. Kilala kayo na mas marami pa ang inyong bulkan kaysa sa bayan dito sa Camiguin. Ay, nahanap ko lang yung statistic na yung kanina. Sabi ko, alam ko maraming bulkan dito, pero hindi ko naman akalain mas marami doon sa bayan ninyo. Dahil dyan, marami kayong naging bisita dahil nga sa mga tourist attraction na nandito, nakikita natin na Camiguin has become a gem on the Philippine map. These days, mas marami ang turista, padagdag ng padagdag, lokal at saka galing labas, dahan-dahan nakikita nila at nababalitaan sa buong mundo kung ano ang meron dito sa Camiguin Province. Well, this has brought great opportunities for the island's tourism and for your economic growth. It has also placed increasing strain on the Port of Benoni. Dahil talagang sa dami ay medyo yung mga dating facilities ninyo, kitang-kita naman na kulang na. During peak season, may problema. Hahanap ng boat ticket. Lahat ng mga traveler na naghahanap ng boat ticket, nagiging biktima sa mga unauthorized ticket processors o fixer na pinagsasamantala ng mga turista at saka mga lokal na nais na magbiyahe, na ligtas at saka maginhawa. For an island like Camiguin, the importance of a modern port, a modern and efficient port, cannot be overstated. Because this serves as a vital link that keeps people, goods, services, and therefore opportunities moving, that will enable families to return home, return to their businesses, to transport their products, and for fishermen to bring their catch to the market, and tourists to enjoy this destination. And that is why I directed the Department of Transportation to pursue two priorities. First, we must eliminate the bottlenecks at our transport hubs so we can welcome travelers more efficiently, more conveniently, more comfortably. We must modernize our airports and seaports nationwide so that our infrastructure can match the demand of our booming tourist industry. Today's inspection of the new Port Operations Building and the inauguration of the light craft landing station in Benoni Port reflects this commitment that we have made to improving all of our port facilities. It further strengthens Camiguin's primary transport link that connects the province to the port of Hagnay Bohol and the port of Balingoan in Misamis Oriental. These facilities will cater to domestic vessels, it will handle rolling cargoes, fuel, other essential goods that support the daily needs of the people of the province of Camiguin. Pagdating ng 2030, ang dami na ng pasahero na dadaan dito sa bagong nating infrastruktura ay ang projection aabot na sa 950,000. At kasama dyan, ang mga sasakyan ay dadami ng 155,491. Ganun yung ating mga naging projection. Kaya tayo nag-i-invest ngayon para yung infrastruktura natin ay handa naman sa nagiging demand na ito, sa magiging parami ng ating biyahero. Apart from Benoni, we also continue to develop the port of Balbago and the port of Ginsiliban, ensuring that Camiguin remains connected and accessible to all. Ladies and gentlemen, we are doing all of this so that our people can have a better passenger experience. This development means fewer delays, more reliable services for everyone that uses this facility. Both our travelers and of course also dito napupunta ang mga private yung mga maliliit na bata ay nakangiti ka na rin. and your warmth and your hospitality have earned the admiration of everyone who has visited this beautiful island. May first timer tayo dito, si Sap Anton Lagdameo. Ngayon lang daw siya nakarating dito sa Camiguin. Ngayon, may kompetensya na yung Davao para sa tourism. Your government, this administration, is committed to complementing these attributes with the infrastructure that you need to bring development to your province. Wherever your journey may take you, may the Port of Benoni always remain a gateway that welcomes you home, opens new opportunities, and does so for generations to come. Daghang salamat sa inyong tanan. Mabuhay ang Camiguin, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
Ang Port of Benoni po natin ay isang pangunahing gateway sa isla ng Camiguin ng mga produkto at mga pasaherong nanggagaling sa mainland Mindanao. Malaki po ang kontribusyon niya sa isla at kami po sa PPA ay nagsusumikap na makapagbigay ng mga pasilidad sa ating mga patanan para sa safe at efficient at comfortable na biyahe ng ating mga pasahero at mga port users in general. Malaki po ang pagkakaiba ng ating Port of Benoni ngayon. No? Nung hindi pa po natin nailagay ang ating bagong POB, ay maliit pa po ang passenger terminal building natin. Nasa 200 lamang po yun. At dahil po sa bagong POB ay na-increase po natin, dumoble po ang kapasidad ng ating Port of Benoni para makatanggap at makapag-accommodate ng mga pasahero natin sa mas komportable at safe na facilities po natin.